What is shahada? First of all, please note, shahida yashhadu in Arabic means to be present. Shahid, who is present, as opposed to ghaib, who is not present. And let me quote here the last wordings of the last sermon of the Prophet ﷺ, which he delivered on the occasion of his last Hajj. The last wordings were, فَلْيُبَلِّغِ الشَّاهِدُ الْغَائِبَ. Now it's the duty of those who are present here to convey this message to those who are not present here. Shahid, who is present. Ghaib, who is not present. Shahida yashhadu means literally to be present somewhere. Shahid means who is present. This is the literal meaning of the word shahida yashhadu, and shahidun for that matter. Now from this basis, two additional meanings are added to this word. Because whosoever is present at the time of some accident or incident, well, he is the witness, the eyewitness. Some accident has happened, somebody has killed somebody. If you were present there, you saw who killed, how he killed, now you are a witness. So now shahida yashhadu, additional meanings are to do witness, to testify, to give the witness, or to witness. Witness itself is a verb. And secondly, whosoever is present, he can help, he can give some help to the person. Who is not present, he can't give help. So shahida yashhadu also means to help. In that sense, this word appears twice in the Quran.